Little Buffalo Technology Nimble Co., Ltd. We focus on factory safety protection to provide users with cost-effective, reliable safety protection products and solutions. The company's R&D team led by Dr. Li, a Chinese-American Chinese in the Zhejiang Thousand Talents Plan, and independently designed and developed unique polymer materials and multi-level flexible buffer structures, German TÜV certification. With advanced innovative design, manufacturing, quality management and excellent services, the company has become Coca-Cola, Menu, Yili, Tsingtao Beer, Yihai Carry, Nivea, Haier, Cinzi, Bose, Tesla, Volkswagen, Volvo, Mitsubishi, BYD, Procter & Gamble, Chinese and foreign firms, JD Logistics and other well-known global companies. We have passed ISO 9001-5 Quality Management System, ISO 14001-2015 Environmental Management System, OSIS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification. We will further optimize and standardize various management standards, continuously improve the effectiveness of the system operation and the company's management level, and continue to provide customers with high-quality products and services. We regularly conduct high, low-temperature cycle tests, high and low temperature and impact tests, neutral salt fog tests, chemical resistance tests, lamp aging tests, swing hammer impact tests, simulation scenario shocks, simulation scene impacts in accordance with different characteristics requirements, verifying methods such as testing to ensure the effectiveness of product quality, so as to win the trust of many customers. The company always adheres to the mission of making work safer and the core value of the unity of personality, product and enterprise quality, striding forward to the grand vision of inheriting a century in the field of global safety protection.
Making your work safer. Little Buffalo.